Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Boulevard Mix C. In the US, these are Walmart exclusives, and the cars in the set are the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, and on the back of the card, you can see it has the shops on the back, and then the cars in the set. 66 Pontiac GTO, the Ford GT, the Volkswagen Baja Bug, and the 1991 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. So the first car is the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. You can see it says Hoonigan right here. So let's open this up. And you can see on the card there's just people in the background and then the shops. And they're watching the cars go down on the street. So this Gasser is matte gray. Then you can see it says try 5 by fire. The engine. Some tampos on the window right here. Then it says Hoosier on the tires. This Gasser is supposed to resemble the 600 horsepower Hoonigan's Gasser, but this one has an exposed engine. This becomes a 655 Bel Air Gasser released in 2020. Believe it or not, there will be at least one more 55 Bel Air Gasser released this year in the Black Gold Premium's Collector's Mix. Seems like too many 55 Bel Air Gassers for 1 year. But it looks pretty clean with the matte gray. So the next car is a 66 Pontiac GTO. So you can see it says Hot Wheels Garage of Legends. And then there's nothing different to the card. So this car is matte gray, or not matte gray, just regular gray. Then dark red. Then you can see some more red on the hood. No tampos or anything. This is another clean car too. Just black and gray, or red and gray. This car is part of Hot Wheels Garage of Legends fleet that they show at Legends stores. In the corner, you can see that it is modeled after a real-life car, and I will put the link to the Hot Wheels site in the description below. So next up is the Ford GT. This is the same car as Von Gooden Jr.'s. Von Gooden Jr. is a pro drifter, and this car is modeled after his actual Ford GT. I put the link to a couple YouTube videos where he shows off his cars off. So let's open this up. So this Ford GT is gray. Then you can see has a gray around the wheels, then the green on the rim. This is exactly like his real life car. And the backlights and the 2 exhausts. Another car with not that many tampos, but this car makes sense because it's Von Gooden Jr.'s. This car was designed by Mark Jones, and we first saw it in 2016, and it was also Super that year. This is only the second time we've seen this car as a premium, and it looks great. I hope to see this more as a premium. So the next car is the Volkswagen Baja Bug. So this Bug is white, then the yellow, orange, blue, and purple, stripes, the white rims, and the dirt tires. This is pretty creative because you can see all the colors. Then they follow up on the top. We first saw this car in the Car Culture Desert Rally set with the tire on top of the car. So the last car is a 1991 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. So you can see this Mercedes is silver. And top right here, this is definitely plastic. But of course the bases and everything. Then the tire on the back says Mercedes-Benz. This was first made in 2019 for the F&F off-road set. We also saw the period correct version, which is very rare. So in the background it mixes A and B, and so far out of all the mixes, I would choose mix B because it has a Koenigsegg. But the cars in all these mixes so far is pretty good because a lot of people like these cars. My favorite car in mix C is definitely the Ford GT. I really like this car overall. It looks really clean without any tampos. But I know most people are gonna really go after this Gasser. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Hot Wheels Boulevard Mix C.